Alrighty, so we got McDonald's today delivered to us. This is the Mukbang. Let me see here. So like, I ordered again from Keeta. Big shout out to my friend who like told me about this, because like, you guys see how many videos I like record for all of my other offers and what's going on in the market. I largely don't really have time to leave this apartment, especially right now when it's so cold. Okay, it's not that cold, but like, I think it's cold. This is actually like, I think this is actually very smart, the package. It's like all ripped up and stuff. But like, second, I got this burger that I don't even think we have. And awesome enough. Whoa. They popped this thing in the cup holder, and yeah, I just really love that about coming back, you know, to the motherland, is that like, oh, I just feel like, I don't know why, I feel like when it comes to packaging though, like, Asian people are a little bit more on point. And then we got the fries. I got this insane combo today. Okay. They even threw in like, wow. This is currently right now. So I usually have my first meal around like 11:30ish. I need to actually, but like around 3, when my blood sugar goes a little bit low. And then, so I got the signature. This is the signature burger. The signature Angus burger, right here. Of course, we got a bag in the fries. Wow. Not gonna lie, it's so crispy. Usually though, when I'm ordering from, I'm gonna show you guys this. Usually though, when I'm ordering from like America, I'm not like trying to sound biased, but you guys can hear, right? Like, the fries are like no longer crispy by the time it comes through. Okay, sorry. I love fries. My old roommate in New York, he loved fries. And then, I have a combo right here where they're throwing the chicken leg in. Don't body shame me, man. Oh, sorry. I work so hard every day to try to get people jobs. And then, so I feel like I deserve it. Mm. Mm. I've just been, no lie, really just like, oh. So this is the Angus burger. My friend from New York came through the other day, last week. We were doing drinks at Soho House in Hong Kong. Wanted to get burgers afterwards. Apparently they got this burger out here. I didn't get it myself. It's called the Prosperity Burger, which is Hong Kong's version of the McRib. I know. Oh my god. Mm. You know, this tastes like right here. Tastes like America. I'm gonna chop this thing down. Well, it's a real trip about living in Hong Kong. Is how British this place is, but also how British it's not. Because you would think people are eating like fish and chips like crazy. They don't. They really don't. And what made me think about the fish and chips was the Brits. I mean, like one of them. I don't know if it's a stereotype, but Chinese people really like the Filet-O-Fish burger. Hold on. Let's burn. No joke, it's legit. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my gosh. I gotta say, life is pretty good. Life is so good right now. Oh my gosh. I'm so grateful. This is one heck of a Chinese year. I was hosting a coaching call today. About like, it's like, yo, Rich, you know what? I should be more intentional with my YouTube channel. I'm like, why? Like, just go out there and drop content, because all the people are just like, just do it, you know? Right now, there's so much fuss around DeepSeek. And you know what I think it is? They're just getting to work. And the problem that I see in tech in America that's just very different than like working at, just generally speaking, working here. People have like a sense of pride in like, I'm working for this company, I'm entrusted with this task, I'm gonna go out there and roll it out. And I feel like in America, and I know why, people are more looking out for themselves. And that's why people fight working from home so much, because they feel like they need that for themselves. And I don't blame them, because the cost and standard of living, like, things have gotten more expensive. And what you're getting paid in tech looks great on paper, but the truth of the matter is it just doesn't really feel like it's enough. It doesn't feel like it's enough because it's not. So, and I think people are just jaded because I think that's also the other thing is, like, when you see how much American tech CEOs or just American CEOs are making, it kind of feels a little disheartening. Like, yo, like, I've worked so hard for this company and they have not taken care of me, and that's just not a lie. That's just a reality. Meanwhile, you have the Bezos and the Elons and you know, the Zucks Their net worth is just going up, blowing up. They're not worried about food. They're not worried about mortgage. Everybody's out on the take. I'm not gonna lie though. If I was on the job, I'd still prefer working for an American company because you're still gonna get paid more. It's just a fact. So, my advice to everybody is just do what is in your best interest. What makes you happy? Life is so short. I'm getting this huge kick. But that's what really stood out for me in recruiting was I gotta figure out how to get out of this. And I largely did. This chicken has got some kick into it. I like it. Hang on. Whoa. It's like the spiciness is coming more in like closer to the meat and the bone. Well, the coolest thing about living in Asia is, I think the food is all the Asians that have come back to set up shop back here, like, like, you know, when I was in Korea, I went to like this place that was like Korean barbecue Philly cheesesteaks. Whoa, from like real Koreans from Philly. That was freaking next level. You eat the one part of the skin, you gotta eat the other part of the skin too, right? Not really. You gotta crank out some emails. Oh my gosh. not joking. That was disgustingly delicious. I can't believe I pulverized that. Yeah, there's still some fries left in the box. I'm just gonna leave it there. Oh my gosh. Alright. After, I'm gonna wipe this down with some, wipes, but like, well, that is my alarm. Because I ordered the food and then I took a nap. Hang on. I ordered the food. You know what? I'm just gonna go up there. Just want 2 more fries. Shit. Can't be wasting food, right? No. Stop. No. The reason why. One of the reasons why I decided to relocate over here, there's many reasons why I decided to relocate over here, but overall, like, it's just worked out a lot more for the business because, like, it's just worked out a lot more for the business because, in all honesty, I was just working these crazy hours in New York and in LA. Honestly speaking, LA was the worst time zone ever for my line of work. The worst. Because I would have to wake up earlier. Well, but overall now, like, there's not too much I can complain about. Always going to be thinking about how things could be moving faster as entrepreneurs. Of course, you're going to be like impatient, but then sometimes you just got to go ahead and take a step back and just kind of like appreciate the journey. Yeah, so I was hosting a coaching call today too, and somebody was like, should I like be more intentional? And I was like, you should do whatever it is that you really want to go ahead and do. It's not really going to make much of a difference, because if you want to start a YouTube channel, the best thing you should do is just start a YouTube. So what I've noticed in working with Americans is that there's always going to be this desire to augment effort and to optimize and streamline effort. And like, how do I get out of work? Honestly, it's like, how do I like not do this, right? And honestly, that's a problem. That's a very, very, very big problem. And where that kind of mindset really comes from is just like, okay, I want to know like the fastest and the easy way. And that's when people start getting defensive. Like, no, well, then just do it. What are you waiting for? Honestly, what the fuck are you waiting for? I mean, shit, like, I ain't gonna let anybody fucking stop me getting what I want to go out there and get. And, like, they're just like, no, it's just that, like, you just don't want to do it. Then don't. I've heard that shit my entire life. Like, by the time I've actually made so much content off of this, like, by the time people try to figure out how to do it a better way, I've already made 5 mistakes, and I've already found an even better way to do it. So just get it done. Instead of like looking to get out of effort, just get it done. Because at the end of the day, effort compounds, just like how money compounds. From one of my heroes, Bill Ackman. I love this Mac camera. It just kind of follows me like this. Whoa. It's almost like I got my own camera guy, right? Yeah, and it zooms back in on me. Hey. Like, effort compounds just like money compounds. So if you want to get it, get it. See you in school. Don't be late to school. Join my boss school mastermind.